Beautiful screens, 8K video, amazing night photos, and the most advanced 5G features that totally rock T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Hey, it's Des with T-Mobile, and we've traveled to Samsung Unpacked in San Francisco, California, to share with you the epic features from the new Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and the new Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's get into it! Your favorite shows and games will look amazing on these beautiful screens, each enabled with a fast 120Hz refresh rate and an adaptive display to enhance visibility even in bright sunlight. Now the camera is where the Galaxy S23 family really shines. The S23 and S23 Plus both come with a 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera. Great for capturing nightography and shooting videos in up to 8K. And if that wasn't epic enough, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a 200-megapixel camera. Check out the zoom on this thing. The S23 Ultra can zoom up to 100 times, giving you insanely detailed shots from far away.
Can you send me that?
The Galaxy S23 family has large batteries to help keep you powered throughout the day. The S23 has a 3900 mAh battery, the Galaxy S23 Plus has a 4700 mAh battery, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a huge 5000 mAh battery. Now inside, the Galaxy S23 series is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor for Galaxy, putting epically fast performance for multitasking, gaming, and power efficiency at your fingertips. Each smartphone in the S23 family is available in 4 amazing colors: green, lavender, phantom black, and cream. Inside the box, we've got the phone, quick start guide, and USB-C charging cable. The Samsung Galaxy S23 has the most advanced 5G features, capable of harnessing the full power of T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. So you can zoom through our 5G network better than ever. Beautiful screens, 8K video, amazing night photos, and the most advanced 5G features rockin' T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 series. You can get your hands on the new Samsung Galaxy S23 series at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at T-Mobile.com. Be sure to drop a comment below and let me know which one you picked up. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.